If you love Ollie's, you've seen this before. This is what it looks like, right? Whoa! I dropped all my little cups. Hold on. Okay, I'm making this for people who don't understand or read directions like I do. So it originally comes, I gotta do this with one hand. It originally comes connected like this. So you unconnect this part. Hi, beautiful. You take this little part. Hold on, G. 1 second, please. Okay, so you take this little part and you place it in there, right? Now we're gonna add some water. Okay, I'm trying to do this because I also have 3 kids and they're in and out and both the dogs are out. So here is how it looks. You put your little thing all the way in. They're playing. And then we're gonna put, okay baby. We're gonna put our water in there to the line. Fat, sit down and eat, babe. All right, we're to the line. Okay, now we just put it in there. So I ended up setting a timer for 30 minutes and now it's done. I put the top on. It was super simple. It's kind of stuck because there's this little thing that connects it to the bottom, so I can't open it. But I have these 4 containers. I'm gonna pour them in halfway so that he can pour his cream and all that other stuff you put in it, whatever, I don't know.